Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're going to replace the trigger on the Dyson SV12 vacuum. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have it done in no time. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure to have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by disconnecting the vacuum from the power source. It's crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Keep those screws in a safe place, they can be easy to lose. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the handle casing. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. If you find it difficult to separate, a flathead screwdriver can help you pry it open gently. Remember to be patient, rushing can lead to breaks or damage. Now that the handle is open, you'll see the trigger mechanism. Take a moment to inspect it and identify how it connects to the vacuum. If you need assistance or professional diagnosis, we offer that without obligation. It's a great way to ensure you're on the right track. Next, using the pliers, carefully disconnect the trigger from its support. Take note of how it's connected, as you'll need to replicate this with the new trigger. If you don't have the tools necessary for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient to get your vacuum serviced. With the old trigger removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new trigger in place, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect it as it was attached before. It's important to double-check that everything is secure. If you're unsure, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair, we can help clarify any doubts. Now, let's reassemble the handle. Carefully place the casing back together, ensuring that no wires are pinched or out of place. Replace the screws with your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Once the handle is back together, it's time for a quick internal cleaning. Use a soft brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help maintain the vacuum's performance. Finally, reconnect your vacuum to the power source and test the new trigger. Make sure it operates smoothly and effectively. If you encounter any issues, we're here to assist you. Remember, no calls, no travel, we make repairs easy. With that, you've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum. Enjoy your newly functioning vacuum and the satisfaction of completing a DIY repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.